This is how this cataben's gonna go down. I'm going to be making this character red and this character yellow. I'm making it as easy as possible. We're gonna use egg whites mixed in with some milk to brighten up the color of the egg whites, and then I'm gonna be adding red food coloring to it. Also, I'll be using the same egg for all of this shenanigans up here. All the outlines will be in nori, so the seaweed, again, like per usual, nothing's changed around here. Background, red egg whites. Secondary background, you see how it's kind of pinkish? I think it's going to be lunch meats, slicing and dicing to make it look like that, kind of like a little, I call it flame effects. I know these aren't flames, but I kind of get a flame feel from it. Edgy flames, I guess. And then the white areas, I'm thinking I'll be using like mozzarella. To the kitchen. Breaking out into fours. Let's get the main character in. Yeah, looks pretty accurate, right? Gonna trace it out like so. Get the little goggles, little backpack, and we got a couple traced. Hands. Let's get the hands going. Trace out the hands like so. Not too difficult, not too hard. So this is how the stack's gonna work. First is gonna be that hand, then the body, then the backpack, and then that hand, then the goggles. Yeah, we got a couple of those dudes. And with all of this stuff, I think I'm just gonna I'm gonna freestyle it. And I think that's it. Looks big enough. Yeah, I'm fairly confident. We can do it all in one shot. These are the tools we'll be using for today. Wang Jangler, parry knife, X-Acto knife. Can never go wrong with hashis. And my little dressers. We'll be using this for sure. Actually, something I learned from that lady is she uses scissors pretty frequently, so I'm gonna try using scissors more often. We'll start with the red. So we got eggs for it. Boop, boop. We got 5 eggs. And then we're gonna add milk to both of them. Kind of brightens up the color a little bit and makes it a little bit more fluffy. Not too much, just a little bit. Spin it up. We're starting with the yolks first because we're gonna add food coloring to this and we don't want any food coloring in this bad boy. Now we're gonna get the red food coloring. We're only gonna do a few drops right now. 1, 2, 3. A few is 3. A couple is 2. Let's start with a few. Looking kind of pinkish. 1, 2. Once it cooks, it might go brighter. So that's why I'm trying to go as rich as a color as I can. Because you can kind of see how there's like bubbles forming up, and I don't want bubbles. That means I'm over wang jangling it. And you don't want to over wang jangle. That's like day 1 of cooking, you know? You can't un-wang jangle what you've already over wang jangled, you know what I'm saying? The wang jangling of these eggs are done. You can kind of see like the edges are starting to turn white. That's like a good sign. You can kind of see it a little bit. Get rid of some of these bubbles. Alright, this is what we're going to do. This is the game plan. Now to keep it cooking, we are going to cover it with saran wrap. Now we got this weird ass green, bro. Hell yeah. I'm gonna try and etch it out, the rest of it. Yeah. That's a pretty good outline. That's a good amount for outlines and Steve. Alright, so we got everything cut up. We got the red. We got... I think we're pretty much ready. The only thing we're missing is like the lens and these white parts. But these white parts, I have cheese like on standby. And we'll just kind of fill that in at the end. We're just going to do plain white rice in the background to make it pop more. Because it's a brown container. Pat it down so we have a nice even flat surface. If you look at it like that, it's like kind of like a red Christmas tree. I'm just doing all this freehand. Okay. Alright, I'm running through it once with the parry knife, and then again with the razor. Like so. Okay. I'm just gonna get some straight lines. Like so. And that's all the white glue we'll need. So so far we've done the red parts. Now we did the turkey pink parts, and we just did the line red. So now let's do the actual guys, the duders, the boys. We're getting the shape. I'm feeling it. Okay, we got that one done. Let's go, baby. Like that. Looks like it's gonna be edged this way, like that. Hopefully the transfer doesn't look too oh! We're good. We are good. Alright, let's see how this is gonna transfer. Looking good. Boom, look at that. It's all come together now, everyone. Okay, we're going like that. Boom. Yeah, that's good. There wasn't too many lines filling it up, right? We're kind of using the mayonnaise as like glue. Close one. I should cover the whole thing in nori, huh? That's gonna be super risky, you guys. I'll have to use the heart of the cards if I can scoop this whole thing up. Nori? Oh my god. I'm already nervous, dude. Okay. Shh. Okay. Shh, 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 shh. Okay, we got this. Okay, here we go. There we go. That's better. I feel a little bit better. I mean, that looks pretty fucking funny. That picture right there. Right? Right? Eh? Huh?